So in this demo, we're going to showcase the portal that we have built on top of the Syncplicity Content Services platform. And we're showcasing here a wealth management solution for the Imagine Wealth Management organization. As a user, a customer of this bank, I can authenticate myself using my email address and a password. And when I have logged in, you can see the portal that actually is being used for me as a customer to exchange my information with my bank. Notice that I'm logged in as Mr. Bob Sink. I can log out, I can request support. You see here the tag of the bank, take control of your financial life. And you see here 3 tabs, which are of course customizable. We'll see later in the demo that these tabs are actually folders in Syncplicity. Any tab here can be customized for your demo, but in this wealth management demo, we are showcasing tabs for my statements, a specific tab for tax documents, and maybe some additional tabs that you can have, for example, in this case, for my retirement fund. The files that you see here actually live in Syncplicity, but they are presented here through the web portal. And for each file, so I have, for example, in my statements document, I have my statement for my auto loan for this year. I can see when it was created, and I can download that file. And when it's downloaded, I can see my statement. If I navigate to the tab tax documents, you see here are files that were generated by the system. They are tax documents. For example, in a B2BI environment where a system generates these kind of documents, I can also click here for the system to generate the last version of a document. This is very interesting, for example, to request from a business application information. It allows me from this portal to launch any other business process. For example, I can integrate this with my payment system to request my latest payments. If I navigate to the tab Retirement, this is a tab where all information regarding my retirement fund are stored. So if I need to upload any documents, I can do that here directly here as well from the portal. Here at the bottom, there is an option to upload any files. And I can, for example, upload a direct deposit agreement, which is a document that I was requested to fill in. And as soon as I upload that file, you see that the file is successfully uploaded. And I, at any time, can download that document if needed. Like any self-respecting financial institution, Imagine Wealth Management Bank also has a mobile app that allows a customer to log in. Being in the app, I see the announcement from my bank that I need to upload my retirement form in order to start my enrollment. So what I need to do is upload a photo, which I will do. And from here, I can simply scan my enrollment form and get it used. And that will initiate my enrollment for my retirement. So by launching such a process, by scanning a form, both for my mobile app as the web portal, business processes can be started via the Axway Amplify integration platform. Business processes can include any other application, a retirement management system, an OCR system to scan the form, portfolio management to align my portfolio with my retirement process, and also a CRM system to do all the communication. In this case, we're also going to show you how the business process is being initiated by a notification in Microsoft Teams. The notification was being sent to a Microsoft Teams application, and you see here the picture that I uploaded notified the business owner of the application that the form was uploaded. So from there, the rest of the business process can continue. So with this consumer digital vault, I have one cloud platform where I, as a consumer, can exchange all my information with my wealth management organization. Let's say I need to share this document with my accountant. I can do that by generating a link. I could copy the URL to that link, but in this case, I want to email it directly to my accountant, who will receive an email with the link to this file so he can access and download it himself. As a conclusion for our demo, we've shown you how an organization